Hey guys. Hey Rubin.
Yo,
what's up, man? What are you doing, buddy? Today we just received this package which I ordered just few days ago, and this is my scooter, and this is a huge, actually this is 32 kilos, and Rubin helped me a lot to carry this. We are going to unboxing this package, right? अब हेरौँ के छ यो भित्र, हैन? थाहा छ already scooter छ, but I'm so excited to open it. So let's open it. I'm so excited, guys, because since 4 days, I'm huge, man.
Yeah, oh, this thing looks huge, buddy. Whoa!
Oh man, it's a big scooter. I do search only in YouTube, but I never expect this is kind of this big thing. But how can I take it out from the box?
One by one.
Woo! It's already locked. I cannot take it out, I'm sure, man. I told you, man, it cannot be adjusted in the office. This box must be kept in case if I have to send it back by any fault. So I have to keep this box, but the difficult thing is, like, how can I take out this scooter from this box? It's so difficult, and I know. So
No. Bro, I'm shocked. I was thinking this is like not that big. Yo.
You can offer you one. You know, we're gonna take out. Wow, man, so beautiful, man. This is my dream scooter. This is my dream scooter, actually. This is off-road, bro. It's completely off-road and high power capacity scooter.
Okay, yeah, maybe. You lift from there, I lift from here.
Okay, you just lift it down, and I don't want to break it. And we will clean it.
Yo, bro, this.
Oh man, I'm so happy. Guys.
Crazy. Nice. Oh.
And this is one.
Crazy thing.
This is my dream scooter, guys. It's so heavy. I just try to hold it up. I have a lot of hobbies, so that I afford it. Otherwise, I'm never going to buy this.
On गर्नु न.
I'm going
ए
to buy
यो त धेरै एडभान्स रहेछ यार.
Hey,
मैले सोचे भन्दा त.
do you like my scooter?
Bro, it's look amazing, bro.
Right? 11-inch.
Hey, you already had headlights here.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
2 headlights, 2 disc brake, 2 suspension, and
You see, guys?
yeah, man. That handle is loose, you know.
Bro, it's like I'm riding crossfire in your phone.
Yeah. I'm very happy to receive it, buddy. Wow, man. This is beast. This is the first to lock.
What the hell is there?
Only this, you know. But if I order it from the website.
Yeah, this is all you need.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This is all you need for the product. So you should be having 2 screws somewhere.
This is amazing, man. I have to fix it by tools.
Yeah.
Tires are 11 inch. It might look small in the video, but it's a big tire, right, Ruben?
Oh, that's huge, man.
Fix it. लिने राम्रै रिभ्यू हैन किन त अर्को लिने त्यो त्यो मैले लियो कि एउटा रिभ्यू खतरा हुन्छ भने दुईटा हुन्छ.
Don't force me to buy this. You are rich, I am not rich.
No man, you can afford it very easy. Something about my scooter.
This is amazing.
Do you like it?
I love it. This looks so cool.
It's good, man. Okay. Let's find myself. Let's go. So guys, this is all the stuff. So this is all the stuff I get from the this scooter package, and this is screw. This is called and then this is charger. This is pouch. This is pouch, and this is tube. Then there is 2 spare tubes in case if I need to change the tire, then can do this. And this is this one. So amazing. And this is the box, tools box. Yeah, this is the manual books, guys. So this is all the thing I get it in the box. अरु कुरामा चाहिँ त्यो हुन्छ हैन, तर यस्तोमा चाहिँ त्यति तोर्नु हुँदैन के, बिकज हैन साइलाइट छ ब्याट्री फुल छ हैन.
Oh, bro, just take it from front, bro.
Oh man,
This thing looks crazy.
yeah, it's so bulky, man. So bulky and so nice. This is side light. This is charger. Starter plug. And this is the side. बुढीले फेरि अलार्म सोच्ला हैन, बुढावाला फेरि वाह man, so good man. ल गाइस, त्यही हो, मैले आज चाहिँ यो मेरो स्कुटी मेरो अनबक्स गरेँ. अब पछि अब भिडियोहरू हेर्नु होला यो मेरो स्कुटीको. So see you on my next video, guys. Bye for now. Say bye to me.